Hello, welcome to the video. My name is Wanda. Hi. Today, I'll be using PU vinyl. I'll be creating a design on this white hoodie, and I'll be using these 3 colors. Before we head over to Design Space, I want to emphasize that these PU vinyls come in 54 different colors. Let me add to that, they're vibrant colors. This vinyl is easy to cut. It has high stretchability, original and bright colors, no fading, and excellent wash fastness, easy to transfer, and no cracking. And now let's head over to Design Space, click on New Project, click on Blank Canvas, click on Upload. Once you're here, just look for the image. I'll be choosing this first image. Click on Add to Canvas, and there we have it. You can change the size by going up here and putting it manually or just stretching on any of the corners. And once you're satisfied with the size, you can continue and click on Make. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't, but I'll show you. Once you're here, you can just choose where to save it. Let's continue. You can choose to work on a mat, which in my case, I'll be using a mat. Continue. And here you can see you'll need 4 different color vinyls. Click on Continue. And here you'll set base material. I'll be selecting Everyday Iron-On. Once you select this one, you'll get the mirror option turned on automatically. But since we have 4 mats, always make sure they're all turned on before you proceed. Another option is clicking on Remember Material Setting. This will automatically turn on the rest of the mats. And now we can just start cutting our material. I'll be using this cutter. Always make sure to cut material to size. This way you don't waste any of the vinyl. I'll start by cutting my black vinyl. And as I mentioned, this is black PU heat transfer vinyl. This comes in 5 feet rolls, so it is 12 by 5 feet. And this color is beautiful. This is a fuchsia. And lastly, I'll be using this beautiful pink. Alright, here's the vinyls all cut. To cut the vinyls, I'll be using this TeckWrap mat. In case you want to know, this is a strong tack mat. Although I've used this so much that it's lost a little bit of the tack, but it still works. That's how good these mats are. And there you have the machine cutting the vinyls. All of the vinyl will get cut, but you'll be seeing this on fast mode. This way the video isn't that long. Alright, it's all cut. Now I'll be weeding this. I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen, which is my favorite. I'll start off by weeding the pink vinyl first. So just poke on a corner and start pulling upwards. Very careful. You want to make sure you don't tear the vinyl. This vinyl is so easy to weed. There you have it. And now I'll be doing the black vinyl. As you can see, this is very easy. Although I have it on fast mode, but it's still very easy to weed. Lastly, I'm weeding the fuchsia vinyl. This vinyl is so pretty. And this is the way it should look. This looks so cute. Since this is a layered project, I'll layer it in order. And then once I start pressing, I'll start from the back and work my way forward. In other words, I'll start layering on the shirt, the back piece first, and then the following, and so on and so forth. I'll be setting my heat press to 310 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Make sure to lint roll your shirt. I always like to create a line in the center of the shirt so that it can help me when placing my design. This helps me center it. I'll be using a ruler to measure the distance. And once you're sure, then you can start pressing the first layer. If you're not sure, you can always move and adjust it. And now I'm ready to press the first layer. Once the heat press comes up, I'll wait a couple of seconds before I start taking off the carrier sheet. This is much easier than it looks. Before peeling this, I did wait a few minutes off of camera. Alright, now comes the next layer. You want to make sure to place it in the right spot before you press it. You can move it around till you're sure it's in the right spot. Once you're sure, place some parchment paper over it and then begin to press. The parchment paper is to avoid the direct heat to the vinyl. This can mess it up. And now let's remove the parchment paper and the carrier sheet. I did wait a couple of seconds before doing this. And this is how it's looking so far. We have this final piece to press. And as you can see, this SVG says, "In October we wear pink." I was looking through Etsy to see what I can come up for a video and found this SVG. I like the pink tones and I like the pink ribbons that are for breast cancer. As we know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness. I have a sister-in-law that was diagnosed stage 2 with breast cancer. So I decided every time I walk out the door, I'll be wearing this for the month of October. I gotta say, I loved working with these vinyls. The colors look beautiful and this turned out beautiful. If you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.